My mom says it's okay to cry.
I'm not a baby. Only babies cry.
It's okay to cry. Some kids do mean things because they might be hurt too.
I don't know what you're talking about. Want to come over after school and play basketball?
I can come over. I finished all my homework anyway.
But you don't even know how to play.
That's okay. You can teach me.
No, it's okay. I'll just ask them another time. Oh, what's wrong, Emma?
There's a boy in our school that I've been trying to be nice to. I think he doesn't like me because he doesn't listen to me.
I'm sorry, Emma. Sometimes kids or even adults don't know how to act when someone does something nice for them. It's not you. It's okay to cry. Hi, Emma. I'm sorry if I wasn't very nice to you yesterday. You were being really nice to me, and I was too focused on getting the other kids' attention. All I wanted was to play with someone, and I should have let you come over yesterday. Can we still be friends? It's okay to cry.
It's okay to cry, it's okay to cry, it's okay to cry, it's okay to cry. When you fall, it's okay to cry. If you feel some pain, it's okay to cry. What you feel, you're allowed to feel. So if you want to cry, it's okay to cry, it's okay to cry, it's okay to cry, it's okay to cry. When you feel, you'll begin to heal. You'll feel better if you don't hold it inside. It's okay to cry, it's okay to cry, it's okay to cry. It's okay to cry, it's okay to cry, it's okay to cry, it's okay to cry, it's okay to cry.
Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Remember, it's okay to cry. Thanks for watching.